clip is about how to clean those hard to reach places in your teeth with a Proxy brush. Now, not all of us have been blessed with perfect teeth. A few of us have spaces that are a little bigger than others, and just that trap where you tend to get all your meat caught or something. It's hard to get with a toothbrush, and regular floss just doesn't quite seem to do the job. So what we've got here are called Proxy brushes. And you can get them on a handle like this. This one's made by Gum, and you can buy these at just about any drugstore. And you can get them on a handle here, and it's just a little brush that you use for reaching in between. Here we got an example on some teeth. You can see there's a little bit bigger space in between some of these teeth. Regular floss just doesn't quite do the trick. So you get this little Proxy brush, and you go right down in between there, and give that a little scrub, scrub, scrub. Now, the first few times you use the Proxy brush, your gums tend to not be very healthy, and they'll bleed quite a little bit. Don't worry. You keep using it every day, a couple of times a day if you need to, and within a week or two, those gums will get healthy and they'll stop bleeding. Using this Proxy brush will help get that stuff out that causes cavities in between the teeth and down on those root surfaces where they're really hard to get a filling in place. So this little Proxy brush does a great job of cleaning those hard to reach places. Even in between, sometimes those lower front teeth where stuff builds up. Now they make these in a little different shapes. This one's kind of just a barrel shape. There's another one that's more like a Christmas tree that gets a little wider as it goes along, and depending on your needs, you can just try the different ones out and figure out what works best for you. Now these they're disposable. The tops just pop right off of these, and you buy little replacements and you put them in there, and so you just use them till the brushes start to get kind of worn. Make sure to rinse them good. They're usually good for quite a few uses. When they start to get ragged, be sure to throw them away, because they're just not doing the job. There's a little pocket-sized version of the same thing, kind of in the Christmas tree shape, and this is just called Proxy Brush Traveler, and this is also made by the same company, Butler Gum, and it does the same thing, just does a really good job of getting in some of those hard-to-reach places. Now, this one comes with a little cap that you just screw on there. You rinse it off, dry it off a little bit, stick that in your purse, and wherever you happen to be traveling, you just keep that with you to keep that stuff out of your teeth. So those are the Proxy brushes. Go ahead and use them. They'll really help you out.